I got an email. It's from someone named Aaron. He works with a podcast marketing company.
Okay.
And so it opens with, "What's Kraken?"
No, it doesn't.
It does, indeed. Kraken spelled Kraken', which I've never seen Kraken spelled like that.
I would have went with a Crakin apostrophe.
Yeah, if you're going to apostrophe it.
If you're going to apostrophe
not there.
Yes, yeah. That's weird.
And if that's the opening line. I have so many questions. So basically he's sending us a pyramid scheme. But
okay.
He explains that he has an idea that he can explain in 10 minutes, but not in this email. In just 10 minutes, he can explain this concept, but not right now. That will get us 1,500 new subscribers a month for only $2 a subscriber. That's $3,000, Aaron. That's not a good deal. Like, he must mean subscription to the service.
Yeah, does he mean like we get $2 from each of them?
It must mean that. It's that, or we pay $2 and we can get 1,500 subscribers.
Oh, yeah.
It's poorly laid out.
Yeah, okay.
I'm already confused.
We're already confused.
This is constructive criticism, Aaron, by the way. He said, and I'm talking targeted US, Canada, Australia, UK, NZ subscribers. You know, those good English-speaking white subscribers. You know, not from any of those other weird places. That we find by putting your ad in front of any podcast that you want to target.
Wow.
It's also very, targeting marketing is very like assassination language.
Yes.
It's like, where do I put the red dot? Between whose eyes does this bullet descend? We use this method to help our clients grow fast and monetize.
Are these in capitals?
This new
like,
audience.
Is there a reason you're yelling this?
Oh, yes.
Okay.
All caps.
Okay. ...
Most of the paragraphs end with ...
Okay. I can't tell if he's a boomer or if he's like 16. Like, I'm really confused.
I don't know. It then proceeds to go on how we should like schedule a quick 10-minute call with him.
Where he can tell us what he can tell us in 10 minutes.
Where he can tell us the thing that he can tell us in 10 minutes, but not in this email. And so he just like wants us to reply to the email. Spots are limited, so we should get on board fast. And yeah, that's Aaron from Missouri. So thank you for the fan mail this week.
We got another email though. I thought you were going to talk about the email that came to Minute Women Podcast.
What's that one?
Because although it is thrilling as Aaron's email.
We've made a huge mistake by adding a form to our website.
Yeah.
Because now we get bombarded with targeted marketing strategies.
Pyramid schemes.
Tune in each and every Wednesday for a new episode. You can find us on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or wherever you get your podcasts.
And check out our website, minutewomenpodcast.ca. You can find all of our contact information and social media channels so you don't miss a single thing.